What's up, YouTube friends? Let's pick up where we left off and head to San Josef Bay in BC. This beach is on the northern part of Vancouver Island within Cape Scott Provincial Park. We had to drive over an hour down a rough dirt road just to get here, but they say the pristine beaches and lush rainforest is so worth it. The hike from the parking lot is very well maintained and absolutely beautiful. Massive. Wow. Things just keep getting better.
Come on, Lena.
It smells like a sauna.
Yeah.
Starting to smell the ocean. A little salty. Ooh, sneak peek. There it is. We made it to the ocean. So nice. This is so beautiful.
Gorgeous.
All those dirt roads, the sketchy heritage site, and the ferries and everything that's been delayed. Worth it for this. Where's my camera facing?
I don't know.
I'm too distracted.
So nice.
I'm too distracted. We're on a beach. Luna loves sand. Come on! Why does she love the sand so much? What a cutie! If you don't know Luna, she also loves to dig holes, and in the sand is her favorite. So if people didn't know, greyhounds are actually raced on sand in the States at racetracks, which is where Luna was rescued from. So she is hooped after her like couple of seconds, maybe a minute of running around. Sleepy girl. She can't even keep her eyes open. I can't believe I'm still in Canada right now. This is so nice. I made the joke that like, are we in Mexico? This like white sandy beach that's so fine and soft, beautiful clear water. Huh. We just made it back to the parking lot and we'll get set up at our campsite for the night. 2.6 kilometers each way, so just over 5K of a hike on this beautiful path, like huge amazing trees, and then the end is the beach, the ocean, like white sand. It was so worth it. It was amazing. Would definitely recommend San Josef Bay, and I think Luke and I like want to come back and do a backcountry tenting trip one of these years, and actually camp on the beach. That would be the next goal. I'm sorry this vlog is so choppy with like my filming because I'm just too distracted by being in the moment. So we had a great day. We are all curled up in bed. We are loving the rooftop tent.
So good.
So easy to set up, take down. It's comfortable. Luna has gotten used to it. Where is that girl? She's so tired because of that hike today. She's like can't even keep her eyes open. How cute. Driving along right now, and this couple with their SUV can't get up this dirt hill. They're towing a tent trailer, so Luke has offered to tow it up the hill for them because again they've tried 3 times now and they just can't get up there. This is the hill we're trying to get up. So we'll do a good deed and help these guys out so they can get back to the main road. All hitched up and we're good to go. This is like the camper's etiquette. You just help each other out when you need to.
I mean, yeah, the poor guy has a broken foot too. Like
he has a broken foot?
Yeah.
Oh, poor guy. Okay, we successfully helped them up the hill. They've got their trailer back. I don't know if you can see it way back there. Maybe. And we're gonna continue on to find a little spot to have lunch. So this dirt road led us to this awesome campsite. The amazing thing is it's free. You don't even have to pay for this. And they have a picnic table and everything. And then you head right down that way to that beautiful lake and beach. I always film breakfast and dinner, and we often miss the lunch spread. So here we are today. We've got our delicious dill pickle hummus, Luke's fresh sourdough, guac, meat and cheese, chips, these chickpea churro puffs, love them, Costco if you haven't tried them, vegetables, because we gotta get our greens, and the fresh BC fruit, blueberries, plums, peaches, so good.
Should be good. I'm excited.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Dig in. We're going to hit the beach. Did I bring my own pool noodle? Of course I did, because I can't swim. Let's go. To the beach, my girl. Let's go. All right, Luke, you win again.
Again?
Again. Another sandy beach.
Yeah, this one's nicer than the last.
Yeah. Anutz Lake.
Get in there, Lewis.
Is it nice and warm?
So nice and warm.
Oh.
I'm swimming today.
I think we found our home for the night.
Lovely.
Fuji approves as well. Get our sleeping quarters set up and we'll show you how this looks. I love our home on wheels.
Our home on wheels, literally, I guess.
And you know, from afar, you can't even tell it's homemade.
I can.
So once we get all set up, we have to inflate our mattress and we're ready to sleep in it.
You want me to take them up there to take a look?
Oh, should we go upstairs?
Go upstairs. Here you go. So we have our outer layer here, and our mesh, and in here is our sleeping platform. So our sleeping bag, our mattress is there, and then we've got our pillows that stay up here as well.
And we've got this nifty little side door.
Oh, scared the dog away.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. If you're scared of heights like me, this is not the most fun. Some may say, Bob's your uncle.
Robert's your mother's brother. We're overlanders now. It's official.
We just put the awning up. First time seeing it totally put up.
Oh, that's so cool.
It just does a little wraparound. Good old Princess Auto. So now we have like outdoor living space and I can cook under the tailgate.
Floor condo.
Yeah. We are in a two-story now, Luke.
Two-story with some outdoor living.
And it all gets rolled up into this like black bag that is roof rack mounted onto our extrusion. So we don't have to like carry another bulky thing around.
Yeah, the truck does it.
That is so awesome. Oh, this $150 on sale. But if you're looking for a budget option, let me show you.
The hillbilly canopy.
We call this the hillbilly canopy.
It's not some charm.
Just mounted easily, folds up nice.
It's very sturdy.
From what I've heard is you get some old burnt out batteries as weights and they're the perfect way down. And again, outdoor living space off your tailgate.
Patent pending.
Patent pending, all right. What was your favorite campsite that we stayed at?
Probably this one.
This one,
Yeah,
I agree.
this one,
So good. I agree. This one was like 5-star.
Yeah, the beach and the lake and everything. That was top notch.
And now a little glimpse into sunset. If you couldn't tell, we did get a drone to up our production, but enough of that. We are going to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining us for another Sulu adventure vlog, and this one again being for the family vault and the memories. We hope you enjoyed this video and coming along to some fun exploration on Vancouver Island.
Don't forget, I don't know. Don't forget the dogs. Yeah.
Don't forget your dog at the campsite.
The campsite, yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and we'll see you next time.
Don't look at me. Don't do it.
I'm making fun of you, but I'm pretty sure my hair is pretty bad.